Alright everyone, in today's video we're going to show you how we do steamed crabs in PA. So first up, I'm here at the crab stand with Kaz Kenny. We're going to get a bushel of crabs and we're going to head back up to PA and do some steaming. I'm going to show you how we do it in PA. Alright, just want to get enough water in there. Get some steam rolling. And next go in the crabs. I dump them in here. As Growl keeps throwing some Old Bay and salt on them. We say no to J.O., we use Old Bay. Got all seasoned up. We're gonna put it in there for how long, Grandma?
20 minutes, 25?
20 minutes, we'll check them in a little bit. All right, we're gonna open one up here. See how it is. Oh, they smell good. Woo!
You wanna try one?
Yeah.
It's done.
Done. Pulling them out. Grandma's in with a little more Old Bay. That's how we steam the crabs in PA. We say no to J.O. It's all about the Old Bay.